What about competition? Because every bank can really replicate the digital model. Government is coming out with its UPI and the licenses on that. The state governments are looking at apps. How are you going to counter all that and stay relevant?
So everybody being digital, first of all, creates a excitement and momentum in the digital. And then the beneficiary becomes the person who has a great product and service and brand value and offering value. This is exactly what we will differentiate on, actually. And we sort of have an experience of history of what goes wrong, right, and the digital gets with security vulnerabilities and limitations, which is what also we have experience of a little more than those who will get in. So I think I don't think that people will not have the same product as we will. But people have those products after a lag. That is our scope. So can somebody build Paytm wallet today? Very easy, it is visible, you can build it. But the lag of that is the opportunity timeline for us. In that lag, do we get a distribution when they get to learn what it is? Or they learned before we got distribution, then we got killed. If we got distribution, then they got a lesser value product.
So Vijay, you are not a listed company, so getting numbers is really difficult. So let's talk about numbers, about the valuations that you have, the kind of revenues, and in terms of profitability. When do you think that you're going to break even?
Yeah, I think we did 5,000 crore, like I told you, in the month of December. Yeah, this is the board deck which I presented in January, that's why December number. So 5,000 plus crore, it's not rounded off, it is more in a month.
Yes.
And we were contribution positive, taking off the cost of payment, money loading, cashback discounts, marketing. We were contribution positive. What we are not yet earning is people cost and cloud cost, which is technology cost and people cost, which we want to continue to spend, and we will aggressively spend on that.
How much is the net loss till last
as a company? I think in a month, how much $1 million of cash flow loss it is. I think that is better number to ask for them.
Which is?
It's less than 20 million.
All right. And what is your target of breaking even completely on that net profit level?
Have money for 3 years and continue to get money if you can. If don't, then you start breaking even. Right now there is a target to keep it at this level of spend because we have money for 3 years.
How's the investor sentiment? Your big investors?
I think this is a market of opportunity and lead, so we want to quickly get the number of customers and transactions and launch categories. So I think there is a different level of rush in our business, if you will, like maybe slowing down. We spend, our spends have increased in the last 3 months, by the way, than otherwise.
And what about the FTI rules? Your nearest competitor in India has talked about the foreign ownership and the money that is coming in for Paytm's operations. Is that a big risk for you?
If you look at the company, then I stand for what is an open platform. India created Bharti Airtel, India created Reliance Jio, India created companies when everybody got equal opportunity, and telecom is equally big and there was aggressive fights. So my belief is that as a company you have to build your strategy that you should factor in that there will be these factors. If they are the factors that are coming in and beating in, then you have to build a strategy which is ahead of it. There is no other alternate way, because we came on this platform with the same intention, which is what exactly somebody else will come from. Then I don't think there is a less level playing field than before. I mean, Makemetric is winning against every other international company. They can throw money.
That's true, but what about FTI rules and circumventing that? Is that a concern and the risk for the company? Where does it stand right now?
I see many companies in many other different sectors. For example, like retail, I was looking at these food processing and everything else. I think every industry finds its own trick of the business, which some people have it, some people don't have it. Those who don't have it, they crib about it. Those have it, they feel happy about it. But the time changes, tide changes. Why feel bad about it? Just play a harder and bigger role. So I personally believe that this country will be led by Indian entrepreneurs. I think there is no doubt about it. And large companies will have people who are running them, Indian entrepreneurs, let's say that. So in the end, consumer wins. Open market has this advantage, and open market has this advantage that you don't have to come in because you had to lobby with someone. You came in because it was open. Somebody else will come in because it is open. You will be thrown out because it was open. So you can throw out someone because it is open. What else to say?
All right, my last and my best try. What is the kind of valuations that you command at this point?
In every round, whenever we raised money, we had a larger priced offer, legitimately large enough offer. So in other words, when you see the price, This price is the second best price that was offered us whenever it was offered us. We did 4.8 billion last round in August 2016.
Yes.
And right now we are raising money in our marketplace business. We are not raising money in our payments business. So what is value? We'll find out when we raise it.
What are you aiming for, if I can ask that?
I'm aiming for a business that will win. I don't think valuation can be an ambition till the time it is reaching that vicinity.
All right, Vijay, thanks so much for joining us on CNBC TV 18 with a very candid conversation and giving us perspective about your business. Thanks so much.
Thank you.